Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import with F3X. First, ensure you have the F3X Building Tools plugin installed in your Roblox studio. Open your game and select the F3X plugin from the Plugins tab. You'll see a new toolbar appear, offering various building functionalities. This initial setup is crucial for accessing all the importing features we'll cover. Make sure your model is ready for import, ideally as an OBJ file, for best compatibility and ease of use within the F3X system. Once F3X is active, look for the Import button, usually represented by an arrow pointing inward. Click it and a file browser will open. Navigate to where your model is saved and select it. After importing, your object will appear in the workspace. You can then use the F3X tools to precisely scale, rotate, and position it. For instance, you might need to scale it down by a factor of 10 or move it up by 3 studs to fit your scene perfectly. To optimize your imports, always aim for meshes with a low polygon count. This significantly improves game performance and reduces lag for players. Proper texture mapping is also key. Ensure your textures are applied correctly to avoid visual glitches. After importing, consider grouping your new parts using the F3X Group tool. This keeps your workspace tidy and allows you to move or modify the entire object as one unit, saving you valuable time during the building process. Remember to save your game frequently, especially after importing complex models, to prevent any loss of progress. Don't be afraid to experiment with all the different F3X tools. They offer a vast array of functionalities that can elevate your building skills. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be importing and manipulating objects like a pro. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy building!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.